I just finished building my first quiz game in Scratch, and it's harder than it looks. Let's see if you can beat it. Let's coding. First step, let's upload the backdrop. There are 6 backdrop for 5 question and 1 for main menu background. Adjust the backdrop to fill the screen and ensure the display looks good. The second step, choose the button sprite. Right play and center the button sprite. Now we have play button. Next up, when the green flag is clicked, 2 things happen. First, the backdrop switches to America. This sets the scene for our project. Then, the sprite is told to show, making sure it's visible on the stage right from the start. Now here's the second script. When this sprite is clicked, it first hides itself from view. Next, it moves to the next backdrop in the list. And finally, it broadcasts a message called Question 1. This tells other sprites or scripts in the project that it's time for the first question to begin. Let's check the result. Now click the backdrop. Make the rectangle for the question. Before that, you can generate questions for the America Trivia Quiz using ChatGPT. Copy and paste the first question to the first backdrop. Next, copy and paste to the next backdrop. Copy the question number 2 in ChatGPT and paste to the R Screen project. Next, we choose the button sprite for multiple choice answers. Write multiple choice answers for A to D. Now let's customize our answer buttons. A for Los Angeles. I duplicated the original button design, and now I'm using the text tool to add the label B for New York City. Notice how the text sits right in the center of the rounded button shape. That's what makes it look clickable and easy to read on stage. Now click the button Answer for option. First, when the green flag is clicked, this button hides itself. We don't want any answer options showing before the first question actually appears. Next, when it receives the message Question 1, it shows itself again. This is what makes the Answer button appear right when the first question loads. And here's the interactive part. When this sprite is clicked, it switches its costume to button 2A, giving instant visual feedback that it's been pressed. It waits 1 second, then switches back to button 2B, its normal look. That quick costume swap is what creates that satisfying little click animation every time someone selects an answer. So together, this button starts hidden, appears exactly when the question shows up, and gives a quick visual response every time it's clicked. Because the answer is C, broadcast false to an answer. To the same thing in other sprite. For answer C, because the answer of the question is C. Broadcast the true massages. Change the appearance of the button. Click the button. Do same thing to other button. Upload the false and wrong button. Set the size of the right and wrong sprite to 50%. Now, when the green flag clicked, make the wrong sprite invisible. And the right buttons too. Make the variable score. When the green flag clicked, set the score to 0 point. This script handles what happens when a player gets the answer right. When it receives the message true, the score increases by 1 point. Then it plays the correct effect sound and waits until that sound finishes before moving on. It shows itself briefly, giving the player a moment of visual feedback, then waits 2 seconds before switching the backdrop to America 2. Finally, it broadcasts the message, Question 2, triggering the next question to load, and hides itself again, ready to reset for the round ahead. And next, hide the true sprite. When it receives the message false, it shows itself first. Then it plays the wrong effect sound and waits until that sound finishes before continuing. It waits 1 second, then switches the backdrop to America 2, same as the correct path, so the game still moves forward. Finally, it broadcasts Question 2 to load the next question, and hides itself again, ready for the next round. Copy the answer button in Question 1 to paste for Question 2. Look to the question in ChatGPT for the question number 2. Set the other sprite like a button. Change the broadcast question 1 and change to question 2. And do the same thing for C and D option. To set up the subsequent questions, simply repeat the steps followed for the previous ones. And this is the final result, the Quiz of America Make by Scratch. Follow for more.